Mia, and I'm one half of the Pitts twins, Honey. And I was just showing you guys how to get heatless wand curls with these flexi rods without a wand. You know, I know some people don't know how to use a wand, and you know, if you don't know how to do it, then girl, you can do this, okay? You can do this. This hair is from UNice or UNice. I don't know how to pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's UNice. But you guys, this was the Brazilian natural wave, an 18-inch, a 20-inch, and two 22s, and an 18-inch closure. But you guys, I only have the 20-inch, the two 22s, and the 18-inch closure in my head right now. If you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so basically I'm just going to start with one side and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I'm going to start with the back.
Just the words you say. I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face.
So you guys, I'm going to take this piece right here because it's in the front. And it'll be easy for me to show you guys. So you guys, first I'm going to take my Lot of Body coconut and shea oils, and this is a foamy mousse, ceramic foamy mousse. I'm going to put a little bit in my hand, just like that. Ooh, just like that. Oh, just like that. Oh, just like that. Stop. And y'all, you know, you just want to massage it in, you know, get it in there good. Then I'm going to take my coconut and shea oils from Lot of Body as well. It's my Shake Me Custard Jelly. Okay. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to take this much. And maybe that's probably a bit too much. Okay. Make sure you get it on the ends. Okay. Make sure you want to brush it out. Brush it out. Okay. So then you want to take the flexi rod. Take your, what is this, right arm, swing the flexi rod over like this. Okay, y'all. Okay, I'm stopping. Okay, then you want to have the hair and you want to just twist it around the rod. And you want to leave spaces so it can be like that wandy kind of curl. You know, you want to leave spaces. Because, I mean, this is how you would wand curl your hair. And you want to just twist it as you're putting it around the rod. Twist, put. Okay. So then I just want to, first I'm going to just, bend this down to close it off. And I get it like that. And then I want to just bend this up, upwards, and over like this to close that off. And bam. So guys, I'm going to show you guys again. So, it's too much, a lot of body. Take some Lot of Body. Massage it in. You know, you just want to get it in there really good, girl. Make sure you got it in there really, really good. Take some of my Shake Me, what is this, custard jelly.
It's straight up to my face. I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. It's straight up to my face. Straight to my face. It's something ain't right when we talking. Something ain't right when we talking. Seem like you hiding your problems. Really, you never was solid. No, you can't stop me. You will never get to run me. Just for shit, look out of reach. I reach back like 1-3, like 1-3. Yeah, yeah. That's when they smile in my face. All time they wanna take my place. All time they wanna take my place. All time they wanna take my place. Yeah, I know they wanna take my place. I can tell love is fake. I can tell you love is fake. I don't trust the way you say. day. Look you in the face and it's just not the same. I've been down so long it look they just keep on reaching and dissing. Can't afford mistakes, not on this end. Make me call my woes for assistance. You won't make me call my woes for assistance. And they just keep on reaching and dissing.
I just sprayed some of my Got To Be Glue Breeze. What is it? Breeze spray. I'm gonna curl this side going this way. And I'm going to show you how I do that.
Put me in a fucked up position. Make me call my woes for assistance. You gon' make me call my woes. Oh, baby, he is savage, he ain't romantic. When I come around these rappers, they be starting to panic. And their pockets going under like the Titanic. I was good last night, babe, I was outstanding. They was hating on me then and they hating now. He was playing with me then, but he waiting now. Used to sleep inside a den, I got acres now. Was playing more shows with AMA stage now. Damn. I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake.
Okay, so you guys, now I'm going to just take a blow dryer and blow dry my hair for 30 minutes. You can do it for 30 minutes to an hour. But I'm just going to blow dry it. And we're going to just let all this dry. And I'll just be back with the outcome. Okay.
People showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. It's straight up to my face. I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. It's straight up to my face.
Did actually take my wig off and finish blow drying it for 30 minutes. So you guys, now I'm just gonna do it side by side. I'm gonna just start with this side first, and I'm just gonna unravel it. Hopefully it came out right. Bam! Yes, you guys, yes.
I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. It's straight up to my face. I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face.
These are both sides. Yeah, you guys, I do have to redo my, part and stuff like that. So then all I'm going to do is just separate them. So I'm going to just go like this. Separate the curl like that.
It's straight up to my face. Straight to my face. It's something ain't wrong when we talking. Something ain't right when we talking. Seem like you hiding your problems. Really, you never was solid. No, you can't stop me. You will never get to run me. Just when shit look out of reach, I reach back like 1-3, like 1-3.
Flip your head over like this.
Yeah, that's when they smile in my face. All the time I wanna do my place.
Okay, you guys, you have reached the end of this video. This is how I got these bomb, sexy, voluminous curls. Just using, flexi rods. Flexi rods and my little blow dryer. Of course, if the curls would have came out much more tighter if I would have blow dried it for like an hour, but if you're sitting under the blow dryer for an hour, then your curls are going to be tight. Okay, your curls are going to be tight. If you're trying to just be on the go like I am, I'm trying to just go, then okay, you can use a blow dryer. But if you don't want to put any heat in your head, just put the flexi rods in your head like I did mine, and just wait a whole day. This will be like a whole day process for you. A whole day. From 8 a.m. to the next morning 8 a.m. And then take it out. And they gonna be bomb. Okay? And they gonna be bomb. And they gonna be bomb. Okay? So, yeah, you guys. Okay. And you guys, this, like I said in the beginning, this hair is from UNice. This was a Brazilian natural wave. And look at the curls, just popping, just shining through, you know, just shining through, you know. It's light, it's nothing, it's nothing. It was shedding, it does shed, it sheds. The ends were very, very dry, and I did have to cut the ends off, you know, I had to cut them off. So now the ends look like this, like they're healthy, because I hate like straggly ends. I don't like straggly ends, so I just cut it off. I recommend that you wash his hair about once a week or twice a week. It is so freaking pretty, and you can like tease it for it to be like bigger. I always love to tease hair, but yeah.
Tell me wanna take my place. Oh, tell me wanna take my place. Yeah, I know they wanna take my place.
This hair, like, this is so freaking pretty. I love these curls, y'all. This is how I wear my hair class tomorrow, like this. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below in the comment section. Subscribe. Share this video everywhere to your cousins, your mama, your grandma, your sister, your brother, anybody. Girl, share this video. Be like, look at this girl. I see her doing her hair on YouTube, okay? And I think I want to do it too. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, share this video everywhere. I hope you guys got some use out of this video. Like, oh my gosh, I hope you guys got some use out of this video. But I love doing like hair tutorials. Like, I just love creating hair tutorials so I can wear my hair like this to class the next day, honey, and just be like, what's good? What's good? But yeah, I'm excited, and yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.